Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an explanation letter for lost company ID. What is an explanation letter? An explanation letter at work is a formal printed letter or email written to explain something that occurred, to answer an inquiry or provide missing information. In this case is for the missing company ID card. Clients, contractors, team members, employees, or students may write this type of letter to provide information and inform other individuals about situations. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an explanation letter step by step. Check this out. Just like formal letters in general, the very first thing you must write is your personal information as a sender. Here, write your full name. Under it, write your occupation in the organization, or you can also just write your home address. Both are correct. After that, write the date of the letter. For the international format, you can use month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient of this letter. Here, you must write the full name of the recipient. Under it, write the occupation in the organization or company. In this example, the letter is addressed to the Human Resource Manager. And then, write the name of the company or organization. Don't forget to write the address of the company. After completing those information, you can now open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can tell the recipient the reason why you are writing this letter. In this example, the writer wanted to report the loss of his or her company ID card. And when you mention an event or accident, you must mention the date too. You can write the month, date, and year. After that, you should explain more about the matter. This is an explanation letter, so this is a must. Since the matter is about the loss of ID card, the writer then explain how come she or he lost the card. It happened when the writer went home from work. And pickpocket stole the writer's wallet. And inside the wallet, there was an ID card for the company. After explaining the issue, you can then explain what effort you did to overcome or find solution about it. In this example, the writer has reported it to police. However, the writer is not sure that the wallet would come back. Therefore, the writer write this letter. In the second paragraph, you can write a request regarding this matter. Since the writer lost the company ID card, he or she asked the recipient, who is the HR manager, to make the new one for the writer. Of course, you can request this. You have been explaining that it is purely an accident. And the last paragraph, thank the recipient for their future help. Now, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature. And write your full name under it. Write also your occupation in the company or organization. So, that's how you write an explanation letter for lost company ID step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.